She already went in for one swim, waiting for me to get down here. It's a hot day, Dad. My stick's all over here. Here we go. It was 25 degrees the whole way here, and here at the beach it's only 1 degree colder. It's 24, so can't complain. Summer has arrived. I think I might find it too hot tomorrow, though. It's saying 29. I think I'm going to hung up in the middle of the other video, but anyway, I was saying it's going to be 29 tomorrow, so could quite possibly hit 30. That's it. She's had her 3 swims. And let's see if I can get her dried off before we get back in the truck. I bring a towel with me. But she now goes swimming by herself, though, so she's apt to be quite wet. Off swimming all by herself. So I just love the water. There's been a nice breeze. All of a sudden, where I'm standing right now, the breeze is icy cold, coming in off the water, I guess. But it's been just lovely and comfortable, keeping the black flies away the whole way over here. Angel gets bored me walking so slow. She's sitting